Hello, welcome back to the channel. You are always with Mccoles World. This is Traveler Study Abroad in Tree. Yes, on this channel is everything about traveling, okay? Finding the opportunities abroad for studies, for work, conferences, internships, volunteer jobs, and then whatnot, okay? And we give you overviews, and as well we give you these opportunities and links to get access to studying abroad or working abroad as well. Right, I would like to welcome you all back to the channel. If you are an old subscriber, thank you so much for your support up till now. If today is your first time discovering this channel, yes, do well to subscribe and stay around, but there are so many things you will be getting, okay? If you haven't subscribed yet, please do well to subscribe and like our videos. And the more you like, I realize that the more YouTube will recommend this channel and these videos out there to other people who will as well get these same offers to travel abroad. Okay, thank you so much. Today we are going to Japan. I've been doing some videos on Japan, how to find jobs and all that. Yes, today we are going back to Japan, and I'll be showing you how to find jobs as well in Japan. Okay, so in this video is an updated version of finding jobs in Japan. So I'll show you all that you need to know, the good things about Japan and what you have to do and how to get them, okay? If you are a graduate, a bachelor's, master's, PhD, you will get a higher chance of getting jobs easily in Japan, okay? Japan is an amazing place with an amazing and beautiful culture, lovely food and good people. Yes, so they are very respectful, and I will urge you to, if you haven't been to Japan before, make sure you jump on this offer and you will not regret it, okay? So yeah, without further ado, please do well to like if you haven't liked yet, and smash the subscription button so that it will help me a lot to grow with this YouTube algorithm, okay? So yeah, let's go. And in today's video, like I said, I'm going to show you some websites you can have access to if you want to find a job in Japan, okay? I've done a video already before on Japan, and I was exploring how to find a job in Japan as a foreigner. This is an update video on that, and I'll show you another website and different websites you can find jobs and as well internships in Japan, okay? So the first website is jobsinjapan.com. I'll put them down in the comment section, in the description box, so you can have access to it. Now full-time, part-time, and visa offer whatsoever, so you can just check what you're looking for here, the job category, okay? If it's educational, teaching, information technology, domestic work, individual or farm, entertainer, general labor, if it's non-profit social service, retail, whatever it is, you can just go ahead and put it up. So let me go for domestic work, individual, then let me search like that. Let's see, there's nothing here for us. Let's check education, search, so you should get something. So they have here, this company is hiring if you want to teach English in Japan. There's another one here hiring. They have different companies here hiring teachers as well. Yes, let's see if we can find another. Let's go to information technology. Yes, and then search if they have a lot of IT companies as well that you can have access to. Entry level, junior, intermediate IT technical stuff, and the salary is quite good. It is very good per month. Wow. The Java programming specialist and web application and all of that. Yeah, Python web application engineer, business support available, all of that. So for example, if I should click on this one, it will come in and will tell you what's going on, the salary you have to pay, business level, Japanese level should be business level, visa sponsorship is yes, industries, information technology, you can create an account, register here, and then you can just apply. This is the job requirement and the description as well, which you have some in Japanese. but Python Web, Docker, Web API, Unicorn Web, here. So they have many here. If I click on this entry level, this would as well tell you something. This the Japanese level is conversational level. Okay, you should be able to communicate in Japanese just at conversational level. This is the address, the location of the company, the description out here, and all that. So this is jobs in Japan. Okay, get on here and then apply. First, you need to just register. You go out here, click register, email, password, repeat password. You select. I'm looking for a job. I'm an employer looking to hire. You just agree and then you sign up. And once you sign up, you can go ahead and then apply. Okay. Right, so that is jobs in Japan for you. Okay, apply as many as possible. So if you come out here down a little bit, food and beverage restaurant, they have 3, and that we see native French speaker for sales imported beverage, marketing staff for imported food, beverage, and native Italian, and all that. So you can just go down, and then you can pick from here as well. Modeling, they have 1 for modeling, sales and planning, business development, skilled labor. If you check skilled labor, it goes the growing English school is seeking an English instructor. It's a place where you can make Japan your home, and it's 1,000 per lesson. Vehicle system engineer as well, and all that. So they have many offers here for you in Japan. If you want to move out from your country to Japan, this should be a way out for you. So do well to jump on this one. Now, if you're a new graduate or entry level, they have different jobs here for you here. This is a technician at a construction equipment firm, sales consultant, operation analyst, customer support and success agent, golf club, factory job, and all that. Then jump on these ones. Just apply as many as possible. Give them different options for you, and you should not delay on this. And all that. So many of them here. So yes, do well to check this out. Healthcare nursing, they don't have any here. I think they just moved it. Yeah. So that's all for Japan. Jobs in Japan. You should check my other video as well, where I explained and showed you another website as to getting jobs in Japan. Okay, so right, let's move on to the next one. This is from the website, the Japanese website. Okay, Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Japan, working visa. So if you're a professor, you're an artist, religious activities, journalist, business manager, legal, accounting services, medical services, researcher, instructor, engineer, specialist in humanities, international services, nursing care, and all that, you can get a working visa. Okay, now the period of stay is 5 years, 3 years, 1 year, 4 months only for business manager, or 3 months. Okay, you need your passport, 1 visa application form. Nationals of Russia, CIS countries, or Georgia need to submit 2 visa application forms. Now you need 1 photograph. They need 2 from Russia and all that. The certificate of eligibility note, the original one, and 1 copy. Chinese nationals must submit the following, which is not important for us. Now, necessary documents depending on the nationality of the applicant. Other documents may be necessary in addition to the above. So you should check the website of a Japanese embassy or consulate in your area to find out what you need and how to get on with it. Okay, so a certificate of eligibility, which is issued by the regional immigration authority under the jurisdiction of the Immigration Service Agency of Japan, certifies that the foreign national conforms to the conditions of landing in Japan, which means the activity stated in the application is not forced and is one of the activities except temporary visitor stipulated in the Immigration Control Act. For details, you should check the website of the Immigration Service Agency of Japan to know all about it. So this is the working visa, and these are the jobs that can get you into getting a working visa. So get ready, read all of them, and know what you want to do, okay, and how to go about it. Now, there are these 2 websites I'll be exploring as well, and they are agents. If you want to move to Japan on an internship level, they will charge you, and then they'll get you a job, and it's 100% guaranteed. Okay. So you can go apply now to get on it. They have 6 steps: consultation, which is free, application, placement, pre-Japan, Japan. Okay, and the 6 post-graduation. Right. So you can go ahead and read this one if you want them to help you out. Yes, they can do, but like I said, they will charge you. So if you go to apply now, it will take you to where you have to apply and all of that. Check through, can go through some questions. Start your first step into your new future. Fill out the forms and everything, your level and everything. Yeah, and then you can just confirm and apply. And yeah, when you come up here to program and fee, if you go to individual programs, they will tell you the charge and how much they take individual programs. Yes. Now, anytime, any duration you decide, 100 guaranteed placement, 100 catered to your interest and skills, 100 flexible start time and duration. But like I said, it's at a fee. Application fee is 555,000 Japanese yen. And the application, but the program fee is quite a lot. In Ghana cedis, around 36,000 Ghana cedis, which is a lot of money. But yeah, they said they can guarantee you success in that. So you can go ahead and read if you want to get to it. You can go through them, and there's another one that can help you to as well read and find jobs or internships in Japan. Okay, this is internshipjapan.org/English, and then you can read about them and how to go about it. Right? If you come up here, you can just go ahead and read what you have to do, get informed, and all of that. Okay, so guys, that's all for today. I will end here, and I'll see you in the next one. So that was about Japan. There are many industries, many avenues that you can have access to. Do well to read as well, and then just apply. It's all about trying. Okay, just try and see how it goes. So if you have any questions, you need help, do well to put them down in the comment section, and I will get at you. All right, have a good one, and I'll see you in the next one.